ordered online for only 1,340. 1,340. I'm sorry, 1,349. Yeah, sorry. Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. This is Zuko Vlogs. So for today, we're gonna unbox another item that I ordered online. Here it is. Check this out. So for today, we're gonna open these earphones or headset that I ordered from Sony Center, the official store. So we're gonna open this first. Okay, hold on. There. So ayan, bukas na siya. Here and here is the package. So we're gonna unbox. We're gonna remove the bubble wrap first. Okay, hold on. The good thing about this order is I ordered it for only, I think that it's only 4 days. Okay, it says here Sony MDR-XB55AP extra bass. Okay, so this is an in-ear phone. Okay, we're gonna open this first. Actually, the price of this one is 1,499. However, it's on sale, so I only bought it for 1,349, and then I have a discount. The shipping fee is only around 25 pesos, I think. So here it is. There. Okay, it's tangle free, serrated cable, then hybrid silicone rubber. Then it has a carrying pouch. Okay, it's approximately 1.2 meter wide type cable. And of course I ordered the red one because this is my favorite. So here's the proof that it's an original item by Sony. There is a seal. And another one here at the top. There. So we're gonna open now. First, of course, I need to break this seal. The sticker. Hold on. Okay. So the seal is broken. Okay, we just need to flip it. Hold on. Okay, the seal is broken here. I'm gonna open it now. Oh no. We need to remove the outer layer box first. There. Then we have to slide it. There it is. Here's the headset. Okay, so it's an in-ear headset. Then at the back, we have here the manual. Okay, the stereo headphones operating instructions. MDR-XB55AP extra bass. Okay, let me check. Here's the instruction. There. So it says here it has an L-shaped gold-plated 4-pole mini plug for iPhone or iPad or iPod with remote function. And here's the pouch. It's Sony. It's cute. Okay, it says here that the parts came from Tokyo, Japan. However, it is made in Thailand. Okay, here's the warranty, the 1-year warranty card. So this is for whenever the phone is broken. This is for the warranty, for the service, warranty services. Okay, so it's a 1-year warranty service. There. So I'll be putting it back. Yeah. And then, by the way, it has an extra. If ever this one is broken, this one, the outer covering, there is an extra one here. So it's amazing. I have the pouch, the headset, and of course the box. Okay, for now we're gonna try this one if it works properly and if the sound is perfect. Okay, so for now we're gonna try if this works. So I'll be putting it here on my phone. Okay, we'll check Spotify music or song. Okay, let me just put it on my ear. Okay, so we're gonna try this headset, Sony headset. Here. Okay, this one is on right. This is on the left side. So this one is on the right side. Okay, so we're gonna play the song. Alcohol Free by Twice on Spotify to check if the sound is good and if the bass is really extra bass. Okay, yeah, it sounds nice. The bass is good. It's perfect. So based on my observation, it works fine. The bass is good, it's great, and of course it's like I cannot hear any sound or any noise outside when I'm using it here. Okay, so it's perfect. I'll rate it 5. From 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, I rate it 5. Okay, so again, this is my Sony in-ear headset. Okay, I ordered online for only 1,349 and then less shipping fee for around 25 pesos. And it arrived for only 4 to 5 days. So it's great, right? That will be all. Thank you again for watching my vlog. This is my new vlog, which is unboxing of this beautiful Sony headset or Sony Extra Bass earphones, in-ear earphones. It has a bass booster. Okay. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Okay, that is Zuko Vlogs. Okay, see you. Bye.